Hi guys! Aalis tayo today. Pero nandito muna kami sa recycling center. Kasi si Mr. I, sabi ko itapon na yung mga cardboard sa bahay. Napakadami na kasi niipon na baga. Kaya magtapon na siya. So pinatapon ko na lahat ng boxes, mga Amazon boxes, kung ano-ano pa. Pwede naman sana siya guys na hindi itapon. Kasi hahakutin naman siya ng basura. Kaso, sabi ko kay Mr. Total aalis naman kami at saka lalabas, itapon niya na lahat. At saka yung ibang malalaki, parang ewan ko kung hinahakot ba ng basura yun. Tapos na siya. You finish? Done? Are you done? Hindi makita. I cannot see. It's so foggy out there. Naduling ang ating camera. Is this on the way?
Yeah.
Same way? Oh, good. There's so many vacant here in front of Donelm. Dito tayo guys sa Donelm. Tingin tayo ng mga bedsheet. This color. I want this. Ganitong color ang gusto ko guys. Like this, oh.
Yeah, but you need to find super pink.
Super King. Only King? Maybe down here. Here, oh, Super King. I like this color.
You're going to find everything that goes with it.
She's looking on the camera. Ay, so cute naman with that.
Two though. Right, now you need to find bigger cover.
Mahirap. Sometimes it's difficult to choose how it feels like when you were in the shop and when you got home.
Right. It's a 66 or
How much the pillowcase? 10.
10.
Someone is behind you.
Yeah. Okay.
Cute. Show me her. Hi, pretty. You okay? Oh, you don't want me? You want Papa? You love Papa mo? More shoes.
It's more useful.
Yeah, with some socks also on top or some accessories.
Yeah.
Okay, kuha tayo ng coaster. Can't decide. Hindi ako makapag-decide, guys, kung anong maganda. Pero gusto ko ng coaster. Ito plywood. Ito found. Ito na lang. It's nice. For juice also. I think whiskey for you.
And Coca-Cola.
But for me, yeah, and Coca-Cola, this is nice. It's not gonna be... Do you think it's good with this gold?
Yeah, it's gold coloured, that's all that matters.
No, if you're gonna wash this in long
It
term.
doesn't matter. These £2, you throw them away.
It's not nice. It's a bit sharp in here.
There's only these two.
Only 2 left.
Yeah, put
So
them in
good.
if you want them. It's these two. It's £4. It's nothing. When it's nothing compared with what
Hey.
I'm spending on the bedding.
Yeah, we need bedding.
I was going to leave the pillowcase where it was and put them in, but okay. All right.
Hoy, may camera. Rice cooker?
Yeah, but
Expensive, 20. I don't like the style. I want the... We can buy a rice cooker in the Philippines and gonna bring it here. Better. Same as what I have, the white. I like that.
yeah.
Not tayo ng... Kit ng kanilang mga tumbler. 10 pound, 5 pound. Cute. Cute, guys. Christmas decor ba to? It was 10 pound before and 7 na lang. Nakakakot buksan. Ang mababasag. Ito. Dito ang kanilang jar, oh. 5 pound. Sugar. Coffee and walang creamer. Ay, ang cute. Egg tray. May yarn sila dito, guys. Oh, may nakita akong yarn. Parang gusto kong bumili ng red yarn. Meron sila ibang-ibang color ng yarn, oh. May pang-knit din sila. Ito pala ang pang-knitting. Bili ako ng yarn. Red. Meron din silang hook. Ito, mixed colors. Mahal, 280. Ito, 160 lang. 160 din. We're going to Boots, guys. Tapos na tayo sa Dunelm. We're going to Boots. Are we gonna go and get there? Ang lamig. Dito na tayo sa Boots, guys. Tingin-tingin tayo na pang-baby.
If there's anything to do here. Oh, wrong side. Which one you like, buddy? You like the elephant?
I like the elephant.
Elephant, you like that?
Yeah.
That's rubbery.
Yeah, soft.
Yeah. Yeah.
Yeah, softer. Show her. Let's see her reaction. You like that? Wait. Yeah? You like that? Wait. Like that elephant. I remember Pat. Margaret husband. I don't like what's inside in this. I don't like that. This is cute also, but I don't like that it has a cloth in there. Which one? Big? Hello. I said hide that hand. Cover it. You watching? You looking on the camera? Hello, pretty.
Eggs.
Hello.
This is all. Eggs.
Medium. Tingin tayo, guys, ng mga stuffed toys nila. Kasi ang aming baby, pag nagme-milk, is nangungurot-ngurot. Sabi ko kay Mr. itingin namin ng stuffed toys, yung malalaro-laro niya habang nagme-milk. Tingin-tingin tayo. I found the toys. No, no more blue. Oh, I think this is okay.
No, I didn't what you mean blue.
The blue sponge that you bought last time in the box.
Right, I'm gonna have a look. Yeah.
But that looks
So
good.
I didn't see the others. I'll have a look. So, opening to me.
Okay. You can decide. Tapos na kaming mamili guys sa Morrison. Ngayon punta kami ng Aldi. Sa cereals lang. And ano pa bang ano yun sa ano? Butter. Gusto namin yung butter doon. And then I'm so happy ito ang aking napili. Last na to. Isa lang siya. Ang cute. Oh. So girly siya. Hindi ako makapili kanina. Kakaunti ang choices. Nagkaubusan na ata. Tinitingnan din siya guys ng aming baby. Kasi nga colorful. So ayan. Lagi, smile. You talking to that? Is it cute? Oh, I'm so happy we got that. So cute. She want to take it. Ah, you don't want that, isn't it? It's too warm. It's gone cold. You want hot water?
Yeah.
She's happy naman din. So, nag-quick shopping lang kami sa Morrison. Last minute shopping. So, ito ang mga to ay hindi na masyadong... Ay! I forgot that. Look! See?
The baby's rather than that.
Ah, it's so cute! It's so girly. Ang cute guys, oh. Buti na lang nakita ko yan. Iisa na lang. Tuwang-tuwa din naman siya. Hi! It's so cute! Iisa na lang yan. Tuwang-tuwa din naman siya, oh. Hello! Ang colorful niya kasi. Kaya natutuwa din siya. So, bumili si Mr. ng Coke. Ang ingay ng kanyang kettle. 2 milks. Eggs. Ay, bumili kami nito sa Donel. Maliit na tong. Laki ng aking tiyan. And then cereals, 2. Ang dami na namang binili ni Mr. na patatas. Oh, patatas is like sa kanila. And then kumuha siya ng apple. Sabi ko yung matamis. Hi, cookies. And then orange. Ano to? Ah, ito pineapple chunk. Bumili siya ng 2 pala. Hi! Ay, nabitawan. Oh. Tapos, bumili kami ng tea ni Mr. Wala na siyang tea. Ano pa? So, ito lang yung kitchen. Ay, bumili pala kami ng glass. Ang social, oh. My gold. Arte ni Mr. 2 pounds sa Donel. Where is my yarn, mister? You left it in the car?
What?
My yarn? Yarn, the red. Bumili kami ng coaster. Ito ang aking napili. Final. Wood type. 2 pound. Bali 50p ang isa. Saka, beddings. Pare-pareho ba ng color? Saka naman. They're all the same. Ang cute ng aming baby. Huwag mo ihulog. Yan lang ang ating grocery haul. Bumili pala kami ng cake. Ito, ilalagay ko sa ref para sa Christmas. So, yan. Okay siya dyan. Ano kaya si Mr. mag-ano? Lagay natin dito pati. So, lagay natin itong cookies dito. Mr. din to. Cookies. Sponge. At saka itong pineapple chunk. Plano ko guys pala mag leche plan, pero hindi natin siya i-steam. Ilalagay ko siya sa oven. Kasi yung last na gumawa ako nun sa oven ko din niluto, and then sobrang creamy and pino. Try nga natin tong na to. Ang bigat ng pagkatong niya. Okay din, maliit lang, maiksi. Tayo guys ay magluto ng pancake. Snacks lang. Meron pa pala kaming natira dito, isang pack. Nagluto lang ako ng tag-isa sa kami ni Mister. Bumili pala kami ng teeter. Ito pa naalis sa aking bag. So, iwawash ko muna ito. Kasi parang ready na siya mag-teeter. Kasi kinakain niya yung, kinakagat-kagat niya yung kanyang lower lips. Tapos itong parang pang ano ng pang brush ng gilagid. So, may lalagyan siya. Then ilalag. Sa atin sa Pinas, ang ganito ay parang transparent na silicone. So, ayan. 40, more in 40 pala to. So, iaan ko muna to. Wawash ko muna and then i-sterilize. Ayan. Tsaka, itong kaniyang elephant. Ang cute guys, oh. Nakalimutan ko magkano bili ni Mister. Parang nilagay ko pala dito sa bag ang resibo. So, ito ay hindi Morrison. So, nandito pala siya. So, itong teeter, yoga teeter ay 7 pound. Tapos, itong finger ay pang cleaning 6.99. So, i-ano ko to, sterilize muna para sure na malinis. And then, sa Donelm lang naman, sa Donelm, ang binili lang namin is hanger. Ano pa ba? Yarn, 3 yung red, nakita nyo kanina. And then, yung tong, mas maliit siya kasi yung tong namin dito sa bahay. And then, ano pa ba? Lampshade, yung palagay sa mga bumbilya guys. Kasi yung bumbilya namin is wala pang, hindi pa siya naka-lampshade. So, mura lang yung parang 12 pound lang. Isa lang ang binili namin ni Mr. para matry kung babagay ba. So, matagal na tong pancake namin na ito. Hindi ko siya nakain agad kasi nga, nung tinry ko siya, parang first time ko to nag-try nung binili namin. Hindi ako masyadong nasaktan. Kaya ito, tumagal na sa cabinet. And then, hindi na ulit ako bumili sa Filipino shop. Sa Filipino shop ko to binili medyo malayo dito sa bahay. Around 45 minutes. Hindi dun sa madalas namin puntahan na Asian store. Filipino shop talaga. Pilipino yung may-ari. So, lagyan ko lang to guys ng egg and water lang. Hindi na milk ang aking ilalagay. Gamitin na natin itong natitirang egg. Bumili pala ako ng yarn na red kasi gusto kong magawa ng placemat na color red. Lagyan na natin ng butter. Parang okay na guys ang ating pancake. Babalik ta rin ko na. Uy! Lagyan ko yung akin siguro mamaya ng butter and asukal. Parang traditional pancake. Kaso nga, purple, ube flavor. So, pwede na din yan. Ito na ang ating pancake. 2. Ay, 3 pala yung isa dito pa sa pan. Ewan kung gusto pa ni Mister ng pancake after this. So, di ko rin alam guys kung magugustuhan ba to ni Mister. Mabango naman siya. Dadaling ko lang to sa lamesa.
I knew you'd like them.
Yeah, it's nice. Huh?
As soon as I saw them, I thought, I know someone's going to like that because it's just the right shape.
You like it? Have you tried that before? No.
What? These?
Yeah.
The maple syrup or the ube?
The ube. No. Yeah. You did? You like it? Not really.
So.
Me too. Not really. I'm not keen on this. pancake. Flavor pancake. Do you like the maple? Maple? Is it nice? Let me try. Try this before. I don't want. Bakla. What are you watching? We watched the Jack Ryan. It's nicer. Social. With gold. Ang social ng basa ng Mr. May pa-gold. It's cute. Din underwear?
I'm not sure.
And the syrup.
I'm trying this one with butter.
Like this. With sugar. That has a sugar. Put the sugar here, here, here.